very good morning to young Atmians. I'm your resource person, Yogita Hane, and today in the blessed Sunday morning, I'm here with you our jump of activities along with me. As you see, you have lots of things visible over here. Why these things are visible to me and are not visible to you? The thing is that we can start with one warm-up activity. Are you ready? So, here I am introducing to myself. I am Yogita Youthful. I am Yogita Youthful. Same way, you also have your name. Okay? So, I am giving a mic and everyone has to come here or let me see that and they have to speak about themselves. Yes. I am Arav active. Very good. Yes, what's your name? Okay, I am very dynamic. Say with me.
I am Delia.
Yes, that is the quality which possesses your name. You know, my name is Yogita, and I will always write in my name, my notebook. Yogita is the name of ability. Then boost up me. Yogita, and English is called ability. So I always pronounce like that. Yogita is the name of ability. So when I am having a downfall of my life or I am feeling something demotivated or disheartened, that means re-boost up me. So that is a boost up exercise where you feel you are important. If you feel you are important, then only you can pursue your goal. If you feel you are not important, so the life will become very unworthy, and that should not happen in the student life or the entire life. Okay? Yes.
I am Dharmik. I develop.
Okay, develop. Very good.
I am Ruchi.
Okay, I am Rushi Revolution. Very good.
I am Be Vibrant.
Be vibrant.
I am Utsav useful.
Oh, Utsav useful.
I am Mahipal minded.
Okay, he is Mahipal minded.
I am Earth enthusiastic.
Okay, earth enthusiastic.
I am awesome.
Awesome. Very good.
I am brave.
Okay, brave. Yes.
I am East intelligent.
Each intelligent. Passes to
I
everyone.
am tasty.
I am testing. Yes.
I am forum skin.
Scary. Wow.
I am
One is
very
testy, another is
rebel.
scary.
I am interactive. I am Krishna Cartoon.
Rishiv kindful. Very good.
I am zero dangerous.
And brave dangerous.
I am one money minded.
Oh, one money minded. Yes.
I am visible.
Visible.
I am Manav mindset.
Yes.
I am Anurag authentic.
Oh, very good. Anurag, authentic. I love that you are presenting yourself.
I am Vasu Veloran.
Okay, very good.
I am Jainik joyful.
Joyful. Yes.
I am achievable.
Okay.
I am Kush Kinetic. I am unactive.
Okay. Now, there those who are left here, they just stand and due to the limitation of mic, you have to stand at your place and you have to tell about yourself. It's like that only. So we'll start from Vatsal.
I am Vatsal Vibrant.
Vatsal vibrant.
I am Vasu Vibrant.
Okay.
I am Janet Vibrant.
Janice joyful.
I am achievable.
Okay, or achievable. Push kindful.
I am seeing surprising.
Okay, she is surprising. Very good.
I am doing discipline.
Okay, very good. Discipline.
I am mother mindful.
Manthan mindful. Yes. Huh.
I am beautiful.
Youth, youthful. Yes.
I am Param Peaceful.
Param peaceful.
I am Beauty.
Okay, very good. A very good new word we have over here.
I am Rudra Resourceful.
Okay, Rudra resourceful.
I am Dash Dedicated.
Thus dedicated.
You Youngful.
You youngful.
I am Bhargav Busy.
Okay, you are Bhargav busy. You are Bhargav bossy. Yeah, talented. Agreed.
I am good married.
Okay, very good. Janish Generable. Yes. Janet Jolly. Yes. Youthful. Yes. Be visible. Vibrant. Yes. Plutarch King. Yes. That suits you, Plutarch. I agreed. Okay. Yes. Very true. Oh, offensive. Yes. That suits your personality.
I am Pratham perfect.
Yes, you are Pratham perfect. Agreed. Oh, yes.
I am Ramya devotional.
Devotional. Agreed. Arab. Aesthetic. Yes, you have that aesthetic sense. I know that. Oh, head handsome. Yes. Brave. Diffusion. Spurs. Sharpness. Agreed. Head humble. Yeah, I took from their personality. Danger. My God. Yes. Pipette killer. Very good. Yeah, we have a danger and killer people over here. Obedient. Yes. Aggressive. Yes.
I am Saroj Simpati.
Okay. Yes. That is.
I am Urmil ultimate.
Yeah, you are Urmil ultimate. That also I know.
I am Vishnu vibrant.
Vishnu vibrant. Good. Helpful. Yes. Okay, you are Rudra rare. Very good.
I am Devanshu Dashing.
Okay, dashing Devanshu. Yes.
I am Satyam defensive.
Defensive Divya. Yes.
I am Bhavya the best.
Bhavya the best. Yes.
I am Rudra.
Rudra regular. Yes.
I am Devan thankful.
Kindful. Yes. Energetic kindful. Very good. Sarva. Smile. Okay. Okay, very good. Then helpful. Yeah, Harin is helpful. That is a very good.
I am Pratham popular.
Yeah, you are Pratham popular. That is also good.
I am Vedant vivid.
Vedant vivid. Yes.
Nihar naughty.
Nihar knowledgeable also. Yeah, that is not from my head, but you are.
I am Shivam selfish.
You are selfish.
I am being variable.
Variable. Yes.
I am active. Active.
Are you active? Okay. So first, give a great hand to all of you. Applaud to this group. Okay. Okay. So let's hear. That's a very good and great morning. The motto behind this activity, I should know your name, and I realize that your name has a very popularity. Your name has a one meaning. That's why your parent kept that name. I'm just remembering that आप उस बात को याद करो when your parents kept that name. So definitely they want the quality assigned with that name should be inculcated in your life, in your further studies or in your future. So shall we start the session? Okay. We'll start the session one game. We'll start the session with one game. Okay. The game is a two-player game. So I call from the sixth standard the two boys. Yes, standard. 7. Okay, this is standard. Then you. Yeah. Come. The game is like that. The game is like that. This is a two-player game. First is blue card. The second one is green card. Okay. dice also. Okay. The student have to roll this die. Suppose now the green comes. So the one who belongs from the green team, he will the first who will off the thing. Now I will shuffle the card. I will shuffle the card. Just hold it. Just I am shuffling the card. Now after shuffling the card, they have to reveal the one card. The card is, what is written over here? Used to make a circle. There is an instruction. Used to make a circle. And from this sheet, there are 4 sheets over here. Like that. अब यहाँ से from both of them, इसमें से सबसे पहले find करना है कि what we are using used to circle. What we are using make to use a circle. Also you will not speak. They have to find out and they have to tell me Mathematica. What they have to tell? अब जो सबसे पहले will spell the Mathematica, he or she, it's not she over here, he is the one who is winner. Is it okay to everyone? What is the game? Okay. So the players are ready to play the game? Yes, player, come fast. Okay. So the card is in hand. There, let's go from this side. So you will be visible to everyone. Yeah. Just shuffle the card. Okay. This side. Okay. Just shuffle the card. It is over here. Just round up. Okay, blue one. What is here? Blue one. I am not doing cheating. It is blue one. Okay. So it is blue one. So you now shuffle the card. No, you are from the green team. He will just shuffle the card. Arey no, shuffle the card first. No casually shuffling the card. I am doing this. Now from this card, pick any one card. I don't know what is in the card. Pick any one card. Okay. Now turn the card. What is there? A one symbol. Now point. Look at the symbol. The symbol. देखो पहले. What is the symbol? And now find the symbol. Your time start now. This is my stopwatch. ठीक है? Where ये इन चारों में से देखो कहाँ पर ये symbol दिख रहा है. दोनों देखो. आपको बोलना था Mathematica. What do you have to speak? One more round. Okay. Again we will do the round. They are doing first time. Okay. Now we'll call the someone else. आपको समझ में आया? Yes. Roll the dice. Roll the dice. हाँ, roll the dice. इसको घुमाओ. Okay, red one. Okay. So the red cards are here. Open. If red is there, what is there? What is there? What is written? Yes. Formula for a minus b square. Here is the formula of a minus b square. Just look at formula of a minus b square. कहाँ पर लिखा है? Yes, time start. A minus b square कहाँ लिखा है? Look at. Yes. Yes. जिसको पहले दिखेगा he or he will say the Mathematica. A minus b square. A minus b and इसके ऊपर square है. Find out. If time over. Oh, no one is the winner. Okay, go back. Now another two come. आपको ध्यान से देखना है. You have a very limited time. Still we are not getting a player. Yes. Again from the red card, choose one card. What is there? A same card written. Formula of a minus b square. Yes. Yes. Okay, you want to take any lifeline? Shall I call someone from the 10th standard? Okay, I am calling a lifeline. Rudra over here. Rudra, just help out to your junior. Where is the formula of a minus b whole square? No, that is not. So again, time gets over. Okay. Yes. Okay, Rudra. Now you come and play the game. Okay. You are the lone, but okay. I called you. Roll the dice.
Thumb.
Blue one. Yes. Okay. There is the one symbol.
This one.
Okay.
Mathematica.
What is?
Mathematica.
Okay. Okay. We play the game. Have you seen something? Thank you, both of you. Please. Okay. The thing is that everything don't become. The thing is that सब कुछ आपके सामने है. Okay. You are in the hostel. You may play a such type of game. And you wrote the formula, a one die, and you can identify the terms of physics formula or the English vocabulary or the grammar concept. I am just giving a one observation skill. What? This is for what? Observation skills. आपको आपके सिलेबस में क्या है? Before studying, it is very important कि आपको ये तो पता हो कि पढ़ना क्या है. The most of time, you people are making a mistake in that कि what to study and how to study. So this is the first introductory game by which you can enhance your observation skills, your mindness, your the time of the calculations, and it is very easy to form again. Nothing I have used. What I have used? A cardboard. In a cardboard, since here the student of grade 6 to grade 10, they are sitting over here. So I wrote some formulas, some equations, some symbols, है ना? And all the 4 grade the things are like that only. From the card, a die also I have made with the help of paper. Suppose I call it to student, we can form a game for the 4 also. So why instead of wasting the time, I know that you love to play the game. So let's convert or you study to the game. और उस गेम के लिए कुछ खरीदना है क्या बाहर से? No, you have to use your mind. एक 4 का ग्रुप बनाओ and 4 are preparing a 4 sheet. 1 is preparing this. The question which is based on your syllabus, you can make revision. 15 minute revision of the hostel student can do very easy. Only 15 minutes. How many minutes? Okay. Some concept from English, some compare. Suppose those who are in grade 10, आप हिस्ट्री की टाइमलाइन डाल सकते हो. Those who are 9, they also do the same. French Revolution का आप डेट डाल सकते हो. You can post a picture, you can write a name, you can write a physics formula, you can write a symbol of physics. This is a ohm, this is ampere. You can relate that ohm and ampere together. From the grade 7 or 8, you can use identity as we just have seen. A plus b का whole square, a minus b का whole square, and when you are pronouncing that activity, so that will become your routine process. और जब कोई चीज तुम्हारी रूटीन हो जाती है, for that we do not require any extra effort. आपके 1 week में जो भी हुआ, you can prepare. It's not a 4 board, only 1 board. हर टाइप के वीकली बोर्ड्स बनाना शुरू करो. और उस वीकली बोर्ड में suppose in a hostel in a 1 room, how many students you are living over there? In a 1, 3. So they can 3 play a game. Maybe 3 from the same group, maybe 3 from the other classes. But the concepts are same. A very good room study you can perform in the hostel. Are you getting my point behind this? A very good initiative of the study we can do it. Now something is in my hand. क्या कोई मुझे बता सकता है ये क्या है? हाँ? दिया. Okay, he is telling it is a lamp. Now what is it? What it is? क्या दिख रहा है आपको? सर्कल. ओके. Someone else? किसने कहा? हार्ट. क्या दिख रहा है ये? हार्ट. You know ये किसका दिल है? It's whose heart? It's my heart? No. It's your heart? No. So ये किसका दिल है? It's whose heart? It's the heart of the table 2. It's the heart of the or the multiple of 2 or the multiple of 2. How it is that I can tell you. Okay, I can tell you by the very simple example. Just hold this. circle. In the circle, I am writing the table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 2 6s are, 2 7s are, 2 8s are, 2 9s are. Then 19 and then again 20. Okay. Whenever we join a one pattern, okay. Whenever we join the pattern, suppose this is 2, 2 2, 4, 4 2, 6, 6 2, 8, 8 2. 18 after 2 10 20. Okay, whenever we join a table, we always get a one pattern. We always get a one pattern. What I hold in my hand, let us I will show with this PPT. Every table has its own geometric structure. And table is not only 2 to 10 or 2 to 20. The word of table later on converted into the multiple. And how many threads in my hand? These are the artifacts I generated with the help of tables, with the help of multiple. We can join a something, we can create something by addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. There is one more artifact I do have my hand. Just hold it. Wait a minute. This is not done by me, but grade 7 student has done it. Where grade 7 sitting? Okay. So this work just before 10 days, a grade 7 girl named Ariha, she has done it. She used a concept of LCM and HCF. Concept of LCM and HCF. And from that concept, she created a beautiful art. What she done? She used the 3 types of colors: orange, black, and pink. How many colors? Orange, black, and pink. And by the help of that 3 colors, a 3 concept of mathematics is depicted over there: LCM, HCF, and prime number. LCM, HCF, and prime number. Now from grade 7 come forward ahead. Someone. कोई भी आ गया? Yes, come. Okay, now. What you have to do? You have to count the distance between from one this black thread to another big thread. Just count.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7
7 पे खत्म हुआ. Now again दूसरा. 1
5 6 7
7 again black second किस पे है? 7 पे. Then
1 2 3 4 5 6
है ना? 7. Okay. It means every time whenever she has created this black star, what she done? She done that 7 is a prime number, and from a starting point, it's the starting point. It's the starting point. From a one starting point to another starting point, how many rounds to be needed? So 7 is a prime number. So 3 numbers can be done. 2 3s are 6, but 1 is left. That's why there is another one. वो क्या था? 6 था. वो 7 था क्या? No. So 1 is left. It means if you want to complete a circle, so the circle must be completed using a prime number. If we do have another number, so something is left behind it. Something is left behind it. And if something is left behind it, it means all the complicated concept of mathematics. If you are having a number fear, आपको number से डर लगता है, please see. So we can create such type of things with the help of that. Nothing. Even they created it's a wood. We in the hostel we had lots of supplies material. We had a crying thread. We have that cardboard. आप सिर्फ cardboard कीजिए एंड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दैट कार्डबोर्ड जस्ट 10 राउंड कीजिए. ये तो बहुत ज्यादा, इतना भी करने की जरूरत है क्या? नो. हाउ? दैट आई विल शो यू. This is the source. This is the lab of mathematics. I learned these things from the. I definitely mentioned the name. CCL lab, a creative lab of the IIT Gandhinagar. I went there for the training, the in-person training they had, and I also learned these techniques from teaching a math to them, and now I am teaching to you. So this is a picture and all the source. Have you seen this lab? All these labs they generated from the mathematics. A huge mathematics involved in it. If in the net you will just put that CCL IIT Gandhinagar. So lots of videos are over there in which they have given a printout also. Just check out the prints and you can go further for the study. Lots of things are here. Now it's actually lab of there, and the same lab we can prepare at our school also. We have lots of time. We are having a celebration. Why we hire someone for that? Let's involve a maths in it. These are the art form by the different types of patterns, multiple division. Class 10 can use arithmetic progression in it. It's not for class 6 and 7. A one base. Yes, we can start a base from a junior classes. This is a table 1. If you join a dot of a table 1, so we'll get this pattern. It's a very small one. जहाँ पर हमने घड़ी की तरह सिर्फ 1 to 12 काउंट लिए हैं. If we take the table 2, so we'll get this pattern. From table 3, square. Table 4, another one is triangle. And table 5. That's why आपने देखा होगा in our circle, in our mythological circle or in our ancient time, we are using that star. हमारे सभी में आपके स्कूल की यूनिफॉर्म में भी स्टार है. That star is a pattern of one mathematical table. And the thing of that mathematical table, उसका ये मान्यता है कि that thing give a peace and concentration and mindfulness to us. A very good value inculcated in that. So these are all about mathematics. Now look at here. Every table has that. अब अगर मैंने 12 की जगह कितने पॉइंट कर दिए? 13 पॉइंट. तो वो जो मैंने आपको बताया 2 का टेबल, where I have used 100 points. कितने पॉइंट्स है? 100. And that shape is called cardoic. What this shape is called? है ना? A cardiologist is a doctor of heart. And same pattern you may see in the coffee cup. The maths exists in the nature also. आप जब भी किसी कॉफी का या चाय का कप रखते हो and just put in that some sunlight, nature always forming this cup. आप जब कभी भी चाय या कॉफी कप में पियो तो at least visible क्या ये बन रहा है? I have observed कि that shape is present over there. Something along with the subjects will go a little bit fast also. See, this is of table 2. This is from table 3. Class 10, they are having a structure of kidney. Okay, in the biology. They are called nephron. It's like capsule-like structure. So not only mass, now we are having a biology also in it. So this structure is called cardoid. This is called nephroid. This is called, because in the biology, even grade 7 में भी explication में हम किडनी पढ़ते हैं. The structure in the same 7 will goes to the 10th. तो आप 7th और 10th दोनों ही क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? Biology पढ़ रहे हैं. And then same structure we will get with the help of table 3. Is it interesting? And there is no need to thread. आपको thread की भी जरूरत है क्या? सर्कल बनाओ, कॉपी पे ऐसे पॉइंट ज्वाइन दो. As I have done it. Use the graph paper. मन अपना होना चाहिए बेटा, कभी किसी चीज की रहती है क्या? नहीं. A beautiful structure by the table 2, table 3, and maths and science both we are inculcating over here. How beautiful it is. If it goes around the sides, so many structures are there. I'll show you the separate GeoGebra. You can use your surface area volume questions in the live thing कि जो बुक में बोला है वो कैसे परफॉर्म होता है. The GeoGebra is a very good site. 1 minute, just I'll use. Just please hold it. And operation you can use for the number system, you can use for the operation, algebra, geometry, probability. All the things will be covered with this, a GeoGebra. Just wait a minute, I'll use the geometry one. Now in geometry you all have angles, coordinate geometry class 10 you have, okay? Then area, point, lines, triangles, all the topics are covered. Let us explore it. A beautiful things and beautiful number sense we can generate over here. Whether the exponent power, place value system, fractions, and a beautiful artwork behind it. आपको हर मैथ्स के क्वेश्चन जो आपको बहुत टफ लगते हैं, that can you do very easily with the help of that. I'll just show one sample to you of the geometry. I'm changing the angle. Look at here. Now angle will be 70 degree. So here the automatically value of 70. Now I'm changing the angle of 20. So downward answers is also changing. Look at here. दिख रहा है आपको? A beautiful mathematics picture, beautiful artifacts you can divide. And what is maths? You can create this picture also. You can create your own answers. You can form your own questions. And let's create a maths very beautiful. I must found grade 10 trigonometry over here. It's grade wise. Okay, these all are for. Okay, this is for the 6 to 8. Now for the grade 10, I want that trigonometry over here. Let's. Yeah, a very tough question. You people have that fearless कि अगर ऐसे क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आए तो how will do it? This is your examination paper and suppose the question is this. You have to find alternate angle, interior angle, vertical opposite angles. We can select the line and we can change the pattern. One minute. Yeah, it's your coordinate geometry class 10. You have this formula, section formula, where you have to find the distance. Can someone from class 10 to class 10 come forward? Someone who is in class 10 come forward? Yes. That is your NCERT question. है ना? The distance between -1 to 1, the whole is given. Now just change the distance. Now just change the value over here. Okay? This is the distance between here to here. What is written? Can you explain? What you have to find out? You have to find out midpoint. है ना? Now we have to. Now this is for the coordinate geometry where we have to find the midpoint. Where we have to find the midpoint from this point to this point. If I'll change this value or I'll change the options, so the answer will change automatically. The answer will change automatically. Here the coordinates are something. Here the coordinates are something. The formula of this here, I'll press the value and we'll get the answer. And we'll get the answer. So will you remember the one digital resource given by me? GeoGebra. What is the name? GeoGebra. must to just change the value और आप देखो क्वेश्चन ऑथेंटिक होता है कि नहीं. Sit down. Now in the class 10 paper 9th and 10th it's for you. Competency based education is compulsory from the CBSE and such type of questions you can create your own question. You can check also whether what you thought that question is correct or not. So there is a one thing regarding chemistry. Now same thing we have done something in biology also. How? आपको दिख रहा है? Have you heard a name photosynthesis? Class 6, have you heard? Have you heard the term photosynthesis? Class 7? Class 8? Class 9? And class 10? है ना? So one topic which is covered of photosynthesis from grade 6 to grade 10. आपको कभी ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि why are things which we have learned in the grade 6 the same things we are learning in grade 10 also? So what is the motto behind it? है ना? The motto behind is in the class 6 you will learn the process and class 10 you know the application. So the study from the process to application is covered by the meaning of the NCERT textbook. Now सभी को बायोलॉजी लैब में जाना रहता है. 9th and 10th तो they have a lab access. पर क्लास 6 student always complain कि हमें बायो लैब में नहीं ले जाया जाता है. What is right that we don't know. Now I will tell you the lab is at your home. लैब कहाँ पर है? आपके अपने पास में. What I have done ये आप भी कर सकते हैं. किसी भी पत्ती को तोड़ लो. Take any leaf. Take any leaf. हमारे पास वो स्ट्रॉ होती है जूस पीने वाली. Okay, we'll take a leaf. What we are doing? We are taking a straw और हम इस straw से क्या करते हैं? उस leaf पे क्या करते हैं? Hole. Leaf पे क्या करते हैं? Hole. And whatever the things coming out, this small particle ये क्या है बेटा? ये आपकी slice है जिसको आपको क्या करना है? Experiment करना है. What? That is the experiment. आपको onion छिलका है? Take the onion. Cut from the straw. Don't use the knife. It's very dangerous for you people. You don't know how to handle. That's why we are using a safer thing. ये मेरे हाथ में एक leaf है. Just give me the one leaf. Give me the one leaf from there. Just give the leaf. I do have a straw also over in my bag. I'll just take out the straw. What I'll do, just wait. Just hold it. Wait. Simple activity. From grade 9, someone come out. Yes. Come out. Take the ball from this. Read it. Slowly. Whatever is the shape नहीं change होगा. Do the story. Keep it over here and do the story. Wait. Hold it. This is a leaf in my hand. Now if I do something have you watching over here green color? Yes. Okay. These are the something we can use as a practical slide from the biology. How we can do further? Buying is a simple thing. You can do anything. That is also used. We do have. आप आपको सॉल्यूशन लेना हो एसिडिक, आपको सॉल्यूशन लेना हो बेसिडिक, यू कैन टेक अ न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन, नींबू पानी. You can use a simple salt and water mixture. You can use a vinegar mixture. वो चीजें जो हमारे घर पे अवेलेबल है. You can use the water of potassium which is Pitcairn already available at home, and we can perform a very good experiment over there. Now see, a very easy thing. There is no need to go the biology lab or something. We have a 3 different solutions. एक में सादा पानी है. Another one is water with the salt solution. Another one is water with the sugar solution. And whatever I have put out, the same thing I kept in the 3 different places. Then what I have done, I am observing कि अगर मैंने इसको इस पानी में रखा है तो क्या हो रहा है. Observation speed will increase. Very easily, we make a find. This is that your A block. This is B and C. We can observe कि जो A block है उसमें जो कटआउट है, the leaves are floating. आपको दिख रहा है. In the B block, they are in the middle. But in the C block, in the C block they are in the downwards, and in the B block they are mostly on the downward. Why are 3 leaves तो एक ही है, a same leaf. I have put out in the 3 different levels and 3 different outcomes I got it. That is the biology, a physics behind it, a chemistry behind it. One topic of photosynthesis we call it a floating a disk. इसका नाम मैंने क्या रखा है, floating a disk. इसके लिए आपको किसी भी अदर चीज की जरूरत है क्या? No. Whatever you are learning, that all the resources available to us, and we can do that is very easily. Now another thing, something visible in my hand. What is this? क्या है ये? क्या है ये? है ना? ये images है, ये drawing है, ये printed है. But if I tell these are the chemical reaction, displacement and photoelectric reaction, whatever you are learning in class 10, this is a practical example of it. Displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and it is the outcomes derived by it. These are the outcomes derived by it. Now we are having a very less time over here. Otherwise, I would have performed this thing practically in front of you, and you must have enjoyed it all. What is this? This is simple turmeric haldi powder. What is available at home? Chicken. That is something else. What is that else? What just I'll tell you. Now, wait a minute. A whole PPT I have present, diving the word into chemistry where the class 10 and 9 from 8 to 10 chemistry involved very easily and you enjoyed it. Wait a minute. Just what is called? This is called phenotype and anotype. What is called? What is phenotype? Phenotype it means a particular dark blue color impression is called phenotype. Phenotype it means a particular impression by the dark blue which is called phenotype, and the rest others called anotypes. A lot of chemistry behind it. We can create a very beautiful picture. Just I'll quick review what I have done for these phenotypes. You may request your chemistry teacher and you can perform this thing. And a dissolve of ammonium ferric citrate. What is ammonium ferric citrate? We ionize with the water. I have mixed with the water. उसके बाद just a simple paper. उस paper पे मैंने space को क्या करा है? Pen करा है. Whatever from the outside मैंने leaves ली. Leaves को इसके ऊपर क्या कर दिया? Press करा. ऊपर से किसी heavy चीज से क्या करा? ढाक दिया. And after some time, it may for half an hour, I kept in the sunlight. आधे घंटे बाद जब मैं sunlight से लेती हूँ, and I remove all the things, and then I will mix the solution and I clear this solution. Okay, मैंने इसे धोया. I literally clean this thing, and after that a beautiful things are formed. What is the chemistry behind it? That you can observe it. This is the chemical reaction which is involved within that art. So a very simple thing, a very beautiful thing we can do by the education, by the means of study. I hope all from the grade 6 to grade 10 they like it. I'll call to Rudra. Just come.
सबको मज़ा आई यहाँ पे। हमने सबसे पहले एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी की जिसमें हमारे ग्रुप के नाम है, जैसे कि मेरा नाम है देव है, तो उसका सेकेंड वर्ड जो निकलता है जैसे इमोशनल, डेंजरस, वैसे हमने सीखा। फिर स्मॉल एक्टिविटी ऑफ आज दैट वहाँ पे कोई भी नाम वगैरह आता हमने हमने 4 सीख लेके आए थे, तो उसमें से हमें फाइंड करना था, वो हमने चीज़ सीखी। And we have fun and we have enjoyed. Thank you.
And these from my side, yours.